Good morning, students. Let us continue with your chapter 8 of History, Tourism and History. Today, we shall learn about the different types of tourism. Let us begin with local and interstate tourism. This kind of tourism is not very overwhelming or exciting. This is because it is within one's own country and therefore difficulties of language, currency, documents are not seen here. More so, we can plan it at the time that is suitable for us. The next is international tourism. This tourism has become very easy nowadays because availability of number of options of railways, marine and air transport. Marine transport has linked the coastal regions. There is Trans-European Railway route. Aviation has brought the entire world closer because of the economic liberation policy of the Indian government. The number of people traveling back and forth from India has increased considerably. They include people traveling for studies, relaxation, sightseeing and professional assignments, also for shooting of films, etc. One needs to procure various official documents for traveling abroad. The next is historical tourism. This is very popular all over the world. Tours to historical places are arranged to satisfy people's interest in history. It can be noted in this context that Gopal Neelkantha Dandekar, a renowned Marathi writer, used to arrange hiking tours to forts in Maharashtra to explore the sites closely linked to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his achievements. Tours are also arranged to important historical sites in India, such as forts in Rajasthan, ashrams of Mahatma Gandhi and Acharya Vinoba Bhave, important place related to Indian War of Independence in India, etc. Geographic tourism. This type of tourism involves visiting places to observe special geographic features of a region. It includes various natural and animal sanctuaries, places like Valley of Flowers, that is in Uttarakhand, various beaches, unique geographical wonders like the Crater Lake at Lonar and Ranjan Khalage at Nighoj in Maharashtra. Many tourists like to visit these places to satisfy their curiosity. Health tourism. People from the Western countries find the health services and facilities in India comparatively cheaper and yet of good standard. Hence, many foreigners prefer to come to India to avail of the medical facilities and health services. India is a tropical country where ample sunlight is available throughout the year. This attracts tourists from countries with cold climate to India. Availability of facilities for yoga training and therapies based on Ayurveda is one more reason to want to visit India. The next is agro-tourism. Agro-tourism, which is also known as agri-tourism, is rapidly developing, especially meant for the urban population which has very little exposure to rural life and agriculture. Now, Indian farmers are also visiting faraway places like agricultural research centers, agricultural universities, and countries like Israel, where experimentation in advanced technology of agriculture is carried out. Sports tourism. This was developed in the 20th century. There are various sports events organized on international level like Olympics, Wimbledon, World Chess Championship, and international cricket tournaments, etc. While there are events like Himalayan car rally on national level, events like Maharashtra Kesari wrestling competitions are organized on state level. Traveling to attend such events comes under sports tourism. Tourism based on special events. People want to travel and they are often on the look down for special reason to do it. In the 21st century, it has become common to organize such events which also help to promote tourism. Film festivals, various types of seminars and conferences, international book exhibitions, etc., are examples of such special events. People keep visiting several places to attend such special events. Many literature enthusiasts in Maharashtra travel every year to attend Akhil Bharatiya Marathi Sahitya Sammelan. So, children, today we'll stop here and we'll continue with the development of tourism in the next class. Thank you.